Hello, my dear students. I am Malik Farouk, lecturer zoology boys higher secondary लिंगेट। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है, हमने सेल ऑर्गेनिजम्स के बारे में तो पढ़ा होगा। पहला जो हमारा आज का पॉइंट है वो है सेल वॉल। आपकी स्क्रीन पर एक एनिमल सेल का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक माइक्रोस्कोपिक बेस्ड स्ट्रक्चर होगा, तो आप इसको गौर से देखेंगे। सेल वॉल, पहला पॉइंट। What is cell wall? Cell wall is a rigid, semi-elastic, semi-transparent, supportive and protective covering of cell in plants, fungi, prokaryotes and some protists. In the cell wall, it is a rigid, semi-elastic, semi-transparent, supportive and protective covering of cell in plants, fungi, prokaryotes and some protists. Cell wall was first observed by the Robert Hooke in 1665 when he saw the dead empty cork cells under his microscope. Depending upon the type of cell wall, the wall is 0.1 to 10.0 μm in thickness. Cell wall lies outside the plasma lemma. It is built up of materials sent out by the protoplast and fabricated outside by the enzymes located over the plasma membrane and inside cell wall. Therefore, cell wall is not completely dead or non-living structure. It is metabolically active. In most plants, cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemulose, pectin, and protein. In algae, it consists of cellulose, galactans, mannans, and calcium carbonate. ये हो गई इसकी फिजिकल अपीयरेंस। अब जो इसकी केमिकल कंपोजिशन है वो है, इट कंटेन्स वाटर 30 to 60%, हेमिलोस 5 to 15%, pectin substance 2 to 8%, lipids 0.5 to 3%, proteins 1 to 2%, microfibrils 20 to 40%, depositions 0.0 to 25%. This is the chemical composition of cell wall. इसके बाद इसका जो स्ट्रक्चर है, cell wall has highly intricate lattice structure. It possesses three types of networks: cellulose microfibrils, peptide polysaccharides and structural proteins. Protein network जो है, it interweaves through the other two networks, producing a wrap and weft structure. Cell wall consists of three parts: matrix, microfibrils and depositions. तो matrix जो है, it is highly cross-linked amorphous gel-like ground substance of the cell wall. Matrix consists of water, pectin, hemulose, lipids and proteins. Water content is 30 to 60% depending upon the nature of the cell and its depositions. Pectin constitutes 2 to 8% of the cell wall. It forms the colloidal complex and filler substance of the matrix. It functions in cross-linking different substances. Pectin determines hydration of cell wall, its elasticity, growth, and orientation of microfibrils. Hemicellulose is 5 to 15% of the cell wall. It is heteropolysaccharides that binds microfibrils to matrix of the cell wall with the help of different components. For example, exoglycan to cellulose microfibrils and galactans to pectin. Lipids constitute 0 to 5%, 0.5 to 3% of the cell wall. They are very important in transport of hydrophobic substances across the wall, besides providing linkage of hydrophobic ends of the wall depositions. Protein forms 1 to 2% of the wall. Some of them are enzymes required for controlling metabolic activities of cell. Others are structural. Extensin connects pectin with hemulose. Expinin breaks the cross links in cellulose microfibrils, allows the microfibrils to move away from one another and creating space for addition of the new microfibers in the wall. जो organoglycans proteins हैं, they are helpful during growth and differentiation of the cells. This was something about cell wall, its structure and its chemical composition. सेकंड चीज़ जो उसमें है यह है माइक्रोफाइब्रस और देन सेल वॉल डिपोजिशन. उसके बाद हम थोड़ा आगे बढ़ेंगे. कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ लेयर्स और इसमें हायर ऑर्डर में आता है. सो हमें यहाँ तक पढ़ना है माइक्रोफाइब्रस और सेल वॉल डिपोजिशन. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.